Hello, welcome to the International Women's Day. So today I'm gonna make a series of 6 videos called Girls Travel. This series aims to give travel advice to girls that travel alone or not. There is also a lot of general advice in this video that everybody can watch. The first video is gonna be about safety. The second video is gonna be about health. The third video is gonna be about hygiene. The fourth video is gonna be about comfort. The fifth video is gonna be about the 10 must things you need to have in your bag before leaving home for travel. And the last video is gonna be a frequent asked question. C'est parti! Direct broadcast from Goa City. I've been traveling since the last 4 months in Nepal and India with my best friend Julie. And we had so many problems just because we're girls. So we were like, fuck, we need to make a video about this. And then I see what it's International Women's Day. So I'm like, okay, life is a dream, let's do it. Safety. So how to feel safe when you travel alone. So first of all, when you arrive somewhere, you need a SIM card because then you're always connected. You can find your way on Google Maps, you can ask for help, you can call a taxi, you can book a taxi with an app. So this is one of the main thing. If you are out of network, then if you have a problem, you're fucked, you're alone, and what can you do? You need to ask help around you. Okay, I do this most of the time before asking my phone, but sometimes when you're in a difficult situation, it's better to have the network by safety. What is a safe place? A safe place is where you go somewhere, you have your safe place, which is the place where you can always go and where you can find help. You have trustable people, you have trustable locals or other trustable traveler, because you can be rated by traveler more than by locals actually. So you need your safe place. Most of the time this safe place is gonna be your hostel. You're gonna make friend with the staff, you're gonna make friend with the owner, you can even ask them their contact, like this. If you have any problem you can just call them and everything. So get to know them, and this is your safe place. This is where you can always come back and you're safe, there is no problem. The hostel, it's a big topic because in the hostel most of the time you have the private room, which is fucking expensive, or you have the dorm room. So the dorm room, you have different kind of dorm room. You have mixed dorm room where it's mixed boy and girl. Me, I always stay in this. But you have also female dorm room, so where you will have only girl. So if you feel more comfortable, you can book a female dorm room on the app Hostel World, for instance. Alors, is a dorm room safe for your belongings? Yes and no. It's just that either you have your private room and you lock your door and all your shit is inside, okay, sorted. Either you have a locker. So you have a locker in your room where you put your bag, your things, and you lock it when you go, and it's gonna be fine. So me, most of the time I use my own cadenas. How do you say in English? Putain, I forgot. My love, how do you say locker again? Padlock. So you use your own padlock. You can have your bag closed in a locker with your own padlock, cadenas. So yes, you can stay in the dorm, it's safe because nobody is gonna steal your stuff. Anyways, you can keep your main stuff with you. Usually also what I do is that I have 2 wallets. I have one wallet I keep with me during the day where there is only one of my credit card and some money and some driving license and stuff, and another that I leave in my backpack in the back where there is my other credit card. How to know if your guide is gonna not try to rape you? So normally you can ask recommendation on Facebook, on Google, on Instagram. You can ask a guide, or you can take a guide toward a travel agency, and like this you are sure your guide is going to be safe, is going to be professional, and is just going to take care of you and guide you. What to do if you are in danger? So if you are in danger on the street, if you feel like someone is following you or whatever, what you need to do is find a bar, a shop, a restaurant, anything. You go inside and you ask help. You say, hello, I am a tourist, I am alone, someone was following me, or 2 guys were like talking to me a lot. please, can I stay here? Okay, they will give you some water. Maybe they will call for you a taxi, or they will drive you back to your hostel, or you will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi if you don't have your SIM card, and call someone that you know, like one of the staff or the owner of your hostel, or one of the friends you made in the hostel, and this person will come for you and take care of you. The problem is that the unsafety feeling can also come, it can be a general thing. It's not just two motherfuckers trying to following you because you're a pretty beautiful white girl, because they all think that white girls are easy girls because of porn movie and just cinema in general. So that's why there is a lot of harassment of a white girl in many countries, because they think we are all porn stars. I wish we were, but no. Anyways, so it can be just a feeling of the sexism and everything, of unsafety. So for this, all you need to do is just stay with people that you feel good with. When you're alone, it's amazing, but it's also like you're more sensitive and everything. So it's good if you have a group of friends, people you do things with. Okay, let's go eat together. Okay, let's go do this excursion together. Okay, let's go party together and everything. So like this, it can be more easy. Alors, money. Always get $50 on you, I would say. $50 in your other wallet in case of emergency, and then you can always get cash out. So maybe I will make a video about the best credit card, but get N26 or Revolut, like this you don't have fees and you're sorted. Don't get too much cash out in one go, like maximum $250, $300, because you don't want to be losing it. So yes, the harassment, what I said about the porn star image that white girl have. Enfin, even in France, people tell me I'm a slut because I'm blonde. So imagine in India, Nepal, or other countries, sexist country like this, or even Middle East, good luck. So the thing is that you need not to care to be mean to them, like go fuck off, leave me alone. I mean, okay, it's not nice because you're on holidays, you want to have the good vibe and enjoy the life, but sometimes it's needed to show your balls and tell them to fuck off, and like this you can enjoy your life. Because the thing is that if you're gonna stay like 2-3 weeks at the same place, it's always the same motherfuckers that are gonna come back to you. So if you say once to one fuck you, then this one already is not gonna come, and they are probably all kind of friends because they all grew up in the same area, they're all friends, so they will say, oh no, this one, no. Other technique is to hang out with a man, not necessarily your boyfriend, but just with a guy from your hostel, and you walk with him one afternoon on the street, everybody will think he's your boyfriend, and you're sorted. Safe transportation, so that's a very good topic. So in India, for instance, they have a safe Uber. Only for female, so this is good. Otherwise, yeah, I suggest to book with the apps because there is more. It's more safe to book with the apps. But if you are in very safe country like Cambodia, Thailand, you don't need. You just take the random tuk-tuk. They are not gonna do you anything. Like they are really very like peaceful and take it easy. You're not gonna have problem. It's not like France when you have harassment every day or several times a day. Or the best is just travel to a safe country where you feel good and life is great. So that's it. Happy Women's Day. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video, and yeah, see you soon.